today, which is Car Live Stream.
You mean vlog?
Where's my sister?
Show Evan.
Okay.
Can I show Evan?
Okay.
Evan! Evan! Alright.
Dang it. He doesn't care about the vlog. Okay, so we're gonna look outside. What could possibly go wrong with just looking at this? Oh. Yeah. It's so fun looking at a vlog. Like, see, probably I'm ruining this. Okay, so yeah, this car live stream, vlog is basically us driving on the road. What's like?
Can you pause it? Oh, tell them where we're going. Did you already tell them?
What?
Did you already tell them where we're going?
Yeah, Buffalo Wild Wings.
Alright.
So, yeah, what could possibly go wrong? Of Evan playing on his Switch. Yeah. She just took a picture of me and sent it to her friends. Okay, so, yeah, bye.